tutorial, we will demonstrate the configuration of a Yealink handset to connect to MPBX. Please note, this doesn't mean that the service only works on Yealink handsets. We are using this as an example of one of the most popular handsets we supply to our customers. You can, however, use this video as a general guide and apply the techniques shown to other types of IP phones. A SIP device account can be connected to any IP desk phone or soft phone application that supports SIP. Also, this is only a simple configuration. For advanced handset features, please revert to the manufacturer's manual. First, connect your phone to the network and make use of an appropriate port. Some phones may have PC and internet ports. Cable from your network or modem should be plugged into the internet port. Once the phone is switched on, we will need to obtain the IP address of the handset. To do this, simply press the OK button on the phone and find the address listed in the IPv4 section. Your computer must be connected to the same network as your phone. Open up a web browser on your PC and type in the phone's IP address into the address field of your web browser. You'll be prompted to enter username and password. Use admin and click confirm. Let's also open the SIP devices window in your call flow. This will help us to copy required registration information into the phone. In the phone configuration screen, click on the Account tab. By default, we've got First Account selected. Let's enable it here. Label is what you'll see on the phone screen. We could use device name as a label here. Just copy device from the SIP devices window. You can also use any other name. We will use the same details for display name. Register name must be copied from the SIP login field here. Username must also be same as the register name. Now, just copy the password. For the first SIP server host field, we will use SIP server address. Again, just copy and paste. Make sure you change the port number to the port number specified in your PBX. In our case, it is 7060. Change the server expiry time to 120 seconds. The final step on the Accounts tab is to enable Stun in the NAT drop-down list. Once this has been selected, click Confirm. Now you will see that Account 1 is registered. You can do a test by making a phone call and checking if everything is working correctly. In cases when the account status shows registered, but during a test call you experience a one-way audio, you will need to configure the Stun server. To do this, go to Network tab, Advanced, find NAT section, and under Stun, server details here. Leave 3478 as the default port number. Click the Confirm button and test the calls again. If you still experience problems, please don't hesitate to contact us. Let's now configure the correct date and time for your handset. Select the Settings tab, then Time and Date. Make sure DHCP time is disabled. Change the time zone from the drop-down menu. Change the primary server to pool.ntp.org and click Confirm. Wait a second for the settings to be applied. If your phone has direct station selection keys on the side of the handset, you might want to configure them to monitor other extensions in your business or to perform quick dial features to dial external phone numbers. To do this, select the DSS key tab. We will leave the first two keys as line keys so that you're able to place a caller on hold while making another call. But we need to change the line field for the second line to point to the same SIP account. So let's select line 1 here. If you want to monitor status on other phones in your business to see who is currently on a call, whose phone is ringing or available, you will need to configure BLF feature. Select BLF here. In our call flow, we have a user with the name John. His internal phone number is 9105. Enter 9105 in the value field here. In the field label, you can enter any description for that key. In this example, we will use John. Line field must be set to the line configured previously, line 1 in our case. Extension field, type in ***. Configure as many keys as required and click Confirm button. Your phone now shows status of other users in the system. The red light on the button monitoring other users means that this user is currently on a call. If it shows flashing red, this means their phone is ringing and you can do remote call pickup by pressing this button. Green means remote phone is available for calls. You can also configure a speed dial for an external or internal number. Select speed dial from line 4 drop-down list and enter external number in the value field. Give the speed dial a name in the label field. Click confirm and you will see the changes on your handset. Repeat these steps if you want to configure multiple keys. This completes our tutorial covering basic IP phone configuration. If you have difficulties configuring your device, please feel free to contact us. We will be happy to assist.